siyazi ukuthi everyone ukhalile ngama goalkeeper, ukhalile ngento yonke, ukhalile nge-starting 11. But now wasela change now. Sesila. Nasi starting 11 sisinikiwe. I mean nasi team sinikiwe. Now we need to find the starting 11 kule team against Mexico. Mexico egijimayo.
Yes.
And asifuna ukubona si defender sometimes into esingayazi. So score kanjani thina. Now ngifuna ungenzele lento la. Okay. Sinabo goalkeeper by 3. Siyacaba vele ukuthi uDaideng uGosa uphelezela. uGosa vele uphelezela. Now ku Williams no Chain ngubani omnikeza
mina
number 1 ku Mexico.
Ngihamba no Chain. Hayi because of vele
uyibhakane.
Ngihamba no Sipho Chain. uSipho Chain because unama clean sheet amodern. Williams sibonile kule season sibuya kuyo ukuthi Williams like ibika little bit like down oku Sipho Chain like ngasho kanjalo like mina for mina ngibona ngathi hayi ucoach wethu vele uthathe njengoba wabona favoritism like but yeah.
And then uMbokazi no Akon uMbokazi no Sibisi uSibisi no Akon yipi le 2 othi le ama center back wami la ngiyavuma la
mina ngibona ngathi ngizohamba no Mpokazi no Akon because like
undamani umshiya ngaphandle
ya starting lineup ya ngamshiya ngaphandle kodwa sengabuya sibuye sithi masiyenza ama substitute sibuye simfake kodwa uMpokazi yena for mina makabe kho obvious mela bekhona for
uMbokazi udlala nabani uMbokazi udlala noNdamane believe me uNdamane noMbokazi ngeke badlale because ngama left back boy 2
shosho alright
abona baba left boy 2 ngama left foot boy 2 so that's why ngithi uMbokazi umdlalisa noAkon or uMbokazi umdlalisa noSibisi because of or uNdamane umdlalisa noAkon umbeka uMbokazi phansi
no the way sewuyibeka ngakhona sewuyangilayithisa eGrotman lami injalo uMbokazi mele simnikeze iplayer yakhe vele
ezoba right foot
shosho captain yethu kubhakaniya simdlalise nayo uSibisi then badlale into le bayijwayele kuyidlala because uMpokazi vele manje sabuye ngeexperience yangaphandle le experience yakhe yangaphandle like I right guy because like iyanceda kule izosinceda kule game le siyodlala nayo neMexico because iMexico yagijima so uMpokazi uzoletha le experience yakhe ngaphandle and uzobuya adlalise nebhanda futhi singamnikeza lo so that aphathe lapha emuva
ukuthi uSibisi
no
uMbokazi Williams konje umbeke benchini for uSipho
mina sengimbeke benchini
so ibhande senike uMbokazi
sele kuMbokazi alite ibackline yethu
ku Aubrey noKabini noCross uqala ngabani
mina ngizocala ngoAubrey
ngiyabelieve ku-Aubrey
yeah ngiyabelieve kuye
and then uSeyila nangu uSeyila uSeyila inzima indaba yakhe because of uSeyila udlala noSibilibili
yes
Seyila oSibilibili
mina ngihamba noSibilibili uSibilibili hayo ungidlalela kahle kakhulu futhi namanje bekuloku kulama game wethu webhakaniya bengiloku ngibona yena as man of the match kahle kuwa game amaningi so mina ngihamba nayo i-out yami lapha kubhakaniya ngibeka yena phambili
naye ni position crucial la
okay
i-midfielder yethu
midfielder sure
sino Adams noMukwena
yes
sino Mukwena
yes
noSithole uyaya sinoyaya sinombatha sinomkwena sinombatha la i2 yakho la kubani nobani
mina la ngizoyithatha ngibeke like straight eGrotman mina ngizothatha uMkwena ngithathe umbatha ucedile
okay siyayivuma le thatha uMkwena nombatha
yes
now sinomremi sinoThapela
okay
sino Apolis before sifike lapho
okay
labo bazasupplywa nguLothel
yeah
uzwane orurile oqalayo
mina for mina hayi ukuthi maybe kanjani mara for mina urile sazi I on urile uhlezi simeka phambili kahle urile president yethu yama 2000 so hayi ukuthi ngimvalela ngaphandle bangamdlalisa leso sikhathi kodwa urile kahle mina ngicala ngaye then maybe masithi khona lapha abo 70 minutes or khona lapho singafaka out yethu nayo ibuye izodlala game yayo then mina ngizoba ngikhuthele kakhulu
ngiyabuya ku-Apolis noMremi noMaseko sino Reyners sino Forster sino Ngwanasesi ngubani omqalisayo kule 3
kule 3 le mina ngathi siqalise uNgwanasesi bakhathale second half sifake uReyners vele uNgwanasesi siyazi ukuthi akanamagoli amaningi because vele igame time angatholi kahle kodwa siyazi ukuthi ukukhathaza amajita khona
ama capabilities wakhe
uyakhona ukuthi abakhathaze then bese sibuya sikhile ngoReyners uReyners siyazi ukuthi ayigoli walishaya then sifaka uReyners then abanye wabona out yethu sibonile ehlule ne penalty ayikuthi ngiyamjudge or something but the way kwenzeke ngakhona nalama game asemuva andlulile like bisiloku sibona ukuthi khona la ngathi wabona uyashota dlala phesheya kodwa like khona la sibona ukuthi akhona emergency la boReyners bani like bangadlala like ngcono ukuthi maybe bayenze something yokuthi is better than le yena yenza because udlala esikhathi esimodern mara uloku ngangayenzi into esifuna
awukholelwa wena ubelieve
thina sifuna ukuhakinet yena uyadlala esikhathi esiningi kodwa like ukhabatha amajensi la ukuthi angakhona ukuthi ashaye igoli
nayi problem la actually I wouldn't say it's a problem it's secret yabafana kuma wingers
sure
kuma wingers wethu sino Thapelo Maseko sino Apolis sino Mremi sino Rile again uRile okhonayo ukuthi ayodlala iwinga aswitche but uRile maka switcha sinokumbona uApolis edlala false 10 so I combination ibuye ibe grand now siyasazi speed sika Mremi but siyamazi uThapelo I-creativity yakhe I-creativity kaThapelo he's good left and right uyakhona ukuswitch sides uThapelo you understand so akadependi ku left kuphela uMremi ucomfortable more ku left than right na ugood more ku left makavela nge-left wing uzokulimaza but makavela ku right at least somewhere uyalekhisha but ugood naye uyakhona ukuswitch same applies no Rile now kulama wingers wethu esinawo and esidependa ku trust me igoals abafana ziphuma kula match engitshela ngabo
sure
uApolis uMremi uRile uThapelo abantu ama assist wethu azaphuma lapha ya
phuma khona la
now uqalisa bani la sivala ngabani la kulama wingers yipi wingers othi yabona la makunohlanganisa le 2 I-communication badlala kanjani still no 10 wabo between uZwane no Rile but ke you said uRile umfaka ku 10 then lama wingers ngamapho wabeka qala
okay between uApolis noMremi or between ufuna
between uThapelo umdlalisa noMremi but ukhumbula ukuthi uThapelo is more comfortable ku left and then we have uApolis and then uRile is good ku right and then bayakhona ukuswitcha but then uThapelo ke yena I believe ukuthi untanga even if ever umnika any position uzakhona ukuyimastera remember that you also have uAubry ozo overlapper still assisted that player so which wingers uqala ngoMremi no Apolis or uqala ngoApolis no
wabona for mina Grootman ngizoyibeka like ngizothatha uThapelo ngizomeka kancane ngicale ngamajensi wami la khona communicator la hlizi adlala wonke uthathe uApolis uthathe uRile sihlale ngabo masi leader for my side singamfaka uThapelo kodwa masilekha angitwazi ama players sina ukuthi nini iplayer adlala kodwa like ayikho ayishisi ngathi wesidlala siyazi ngakhona ula ngomfaka uThapelo but mina for mina if first starting lineup for mina ngathatha uApolis no Rile then ngiyazi ukuthi communication yabo is more than i-communication yasesquadini. Ngiyofika ngale communication yabo le yasebhakaniya ngihlale ngayo. If ngiyabona ukuthi iyaleka ula ngingafaka uThapelo, then yeah.
Ayibhakaniya. Yazi amaplayer webhakaniya lapho wafake wonke. Ngikiyekile. Wonke amaplayer webhakaniya lapha wafake wonke. Ngikiyekile. Wonke amaplayer webhakaniya wafake wonke.
Yazi nokhotba like injalo.
So ufuna ukuthi lapha yakudlala ibhakaniya. Yazi umuntu ongamfaka kwebhakaniya kubani? Kumukwena because of awunamuntu ozomdlalisa naye umbatha.
Sure. And yazi ayikuthi ngiyenza kanjalo like maybe like
because of uthando lebhakaniya.
Yeyayenzeka lento uma ungayibheka uSandawana. Bekudlala iSandawana squad. Dlala iSandawana nje sibona iSandawana. So ukuhlela why manje kuzoba iproblem or kuzoba difficult ukuthi udlale ibhakaniya. Nayo if uyadlala idlala ibhakaniya.
So ustriker ngebhakaniya yonke ifront four yakho ibhakaniya ngurile ku10 nguApolis kwiwinga nguMuremi kwiwinga nguMakgopa kwistriker 4 ibhakaniya phambili unombatha emuva kwabo unomukwena next to umbatha still unoSipho Chain shuthi le 7 players yakho ingena first time kuMexico.
Ngiyazi ukuthi bazokhala abakhalayo kodwa mina bengithi sometimes masingaqala ngevision like le ngikhuluma ngayo sesizoselecta la sibona khona ukuthi kuyaleka bese siya substitute.
Angikekile ibhakaniya. Let's hope. And then your prediction bano scorer kule 4 yakho oyibeke phambili.
Mina yabona uReal mina nginebelieve ukuthi uReal uzoscore. And kahle yabona istriker siyazi ukuthi istriker siyadlala ngazo but sometimes kuba difficult ukuthi siwine ama striker wethu. Score nje uyabona.
Ngama wingers bano seka score ukudlula ama striker.
Apolis uReal I'm very quite sure ukuthi bazokora
against Mexico.
Siyawina le game 2-1
2-1
or 2-0.
Ngiyabonga bhakaniya. Dango lapho.